Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. Markets set records this week, but geopolitical concerns kept pulling the highs back down. On Monday, the new home sales report for July fell for the second straight month by 2.4% to 412,000 units. The median home price fell 3.7%. On Tuesday, durable goods orders for July showed an unexpectedly high 22.6% gain month to month. However, most of that was in transportation. Consumer confidence for August was up 2.3% at 92.4. This was enough to push the S&P 500 to close above 2,000 for the first time. However, trading volume was still lower than average on U.S. exchanges. On Wednesday, the second quarter GDP was revised 0.2% higher to 4.2%. Jobless claims for the week ending August 23rd showed a tiny drop of 1,000 to 298,000, and the 4-week average is down to a little below 300,000. The pending home sales index for July rose 3.3% to 105.9. Unfortunately, the good news was dampened by reports of Russian troops entering Ukraine and assisting separatists. On Friday, personal income for July showed a 0.2% increase, and consumer spending was down by 0.1%. The PCE price index was up by 0.1%. The 0.1% drop in consumer spending was unexpected. Markets were down slightly on the news. However, trading volume was exceptionally low ahead of the Labor Day holiday weekend. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Sony Corporation's PlayStation Network, along with several other major gaming companies, including Microsoft's Xbox Live, Blizzard's Battle.net, and Grinding Gear Games, became the latest victims of a cyber attack. No motive is apparent, and Sony informed users that there is no evidence of any unauthorized access of users' accounts or personal information. Shares for all affected public companies slumped Monday and recovered slightly by the end of the week. Burger King Worldwide Inc. announced they were in talks with Canadian chain Tim Hortons for a possible merger. Shares skyrocketed Monday following the news, opening slightly above 31 and reaching a new 52-week high of 33.97. The merger would create the third largest fast food company in the world and is valued at approximately $11 billion. Amazon.com surprised many on Tuesday after the e-commerce giant reportedly spent $970 million to acquire a video game streaming platform and company, Twitch Interactive. The acquisition brings with it an audience of 55 million unique visitors that venture to Twitch's platform every month to stream and upload gaming sessions for the world to see. The acquisition now gives Amazon the assets needed to compete in the video streaming market against the likes of YouTube and Netflix. Radio Shack shares have surged more than 100% since Tuesday's announcement that the company will be receiving a rescue package from their second largest shareholder, Standard General LP. The fund, which owns approximately 10% of the company, is seeking to help Radio Shack avoid filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.